Doesn't look too bad. The house actually looks pretty good, and even the roof actually looks newer.
You know, it has a fireplace too. Check it out.
Huh. All right, let's go inside. I hope it's not gross.
Hey, you know what? It's not gross. It's actually clean.
It's dated, but it's not too bad.
What in the world is that?
Giant brick fireplace. This is massive, and I don't know, I'm not feeling it.
That thing is huge.
It's taking over the whole entire room.
We can do something with that. I mean, so far though, what's your first impression?
Needs a big cosmetic rehaul. I don't know, there's a lot of stuff going on, but we can work with all of that, especially at this price.
Oh my gosh, the fireplace goes, it's even over here.
Double-side fireplace?
Yeah, this is the biggest fireplace I've ever seen.
The kitchen appears to have been remodeled maybe
20 years ago?
in the 80s, 90s. We'd
No.
have to update it, do something more modern. This neighborhood's gonna sell for a lot.
Well, to reach the comps in the high sixes, the house has to be like brand new, trendy, awesome. So,
Right, and we could never leave these either. This was a style back in the day. I'm not sure why it was ever a style, but it completely blocks off the entire room. What do you think we're looking at?
okay, we kept the existing footprint, did our normal standard materials, probably about $6,000. If we did higher end cabinets, higher end counters, reconfigured, remove the soffit, open up the higher ceilings, remove the door, I mean, it can go size like 15,000.
That's what I'm leaning towards. Be nice if we could get rid of this.
Oh no.
Why?
That's gonna be like 10, 15 grand.
I just don't know how we'd even incorporate
Well,
this.
here's an option that we could do, potentially. We need Frank. Without removing the fireplace, what if we had a straight shot view to the kitchen and dining room by removing this wall, maybe to right here, and it will match the other side.
Ooh, I like the color.
The windows.
They didn't change the windows.
Interesting.
Hi, how you doing?
Hi,
I'm Tarek.
Veronica.
Veronica, hi.
Brianna.
Buyers, neighbors, realtors.
I'm looking for my mom, actually.
So I'll tell you a little bit about the house. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 789.9. It's about 1,600 square feet. Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks. Very modern.
Look how open it is here.
Did you see this? Fireplace on the other side?
Yeah, it's too.
Oh my gosh.
cool.
Is this cement?
Yeah, I think it's concrete floors.
I don't know. Sorry.
Look at this compared to the floor and then what this.
Yeah, it gets kind of a rustic or industrial effect.
Doesn't come with a refrigerator.
Oh, look at this deck.
Oh my God, is that a fireplace?
Yes.
That is seriously a statement piece.
Like, could you imagine having a bunch of chairs right here and just like,
I
sitting
love
around this,
that.
drinking some wine?
It's a big master.
This is really nice.
Only one sink.
Yeah, it might be hard to get ready in the morning.
Oh, I like the vertical.
It's nice, double tile.
That's so different. I never saw that before.
This is probably literally the worst house in the neighborhood, though. The houses are attached.
Yeah. Where's the front door? No, it's a neighbor's house. That can't be the front door, right?
There's a gate right here with a doorbell, so
You're kidding me.
looks like.
Is it the front? No, it's not, because you're walking into bushes.
Okay, well, let's go look because I don't see a front door anywhere else.
What? And this is really awkward. You can't see the front door with all these overgrown bushes.
It's definitely the most interesting house in the neighborhood,
Oh
that's
my
for sure.
God, look at this roof.
I know, it's horrific. Dark.
It's dark, but I mean, it looks good when you walk in.
The entrance is really big. High ceilings.
And look at this kitchen.
Ugh, the kitchen is so small.
Oh,
It looks like a really small kitchen that would be in like a tiny apartment.
you know what we could do though? If we got rid of this wall, put a big island or peninsula here, it'll overlook the family room.
Oh yeah, and even I feel like get rid of this wall. It just seems so pointless.
So here's my thought. To redo this kitchen, it would cost at least $9,000. Plus, I would say 99% this entire thing is load bearing. So to remove this wall, it would cost around $5,000.
We could create like a huge kitchen. You know what? This living area is huge. Honestly, it's so big, I don't even know what to do with it.
I think it's great that it has a fireplace. I mean, that could definitely be a focal point.
We could do something really cool with the fireplace.
Yeah, like a stack stone or something.
Yeah. So look at the bedroom.
Huge
Wow.
bedroom. Look at
Big bedroom.
Oh my gosh. Okay, this is good. We just need new carpet and a coat of paint.
This is a huge master bathroom, but it's so dated. This whole thing would have to go.
This would be a complete redesign.
Okay, we've got 2 bathrooms to design. This is the master. I'm thinking just large, huge, grand walk-in shower.
We have to be very careful with budget because it's such a large shower. we have to keep the material costs at a minimum.
But this is the wow factor. And for this area, younger family looking for something cool, more modern, they're gonna want that bling factor. I'm thinking crystal chandeliers.
What are you talking? What do you mean chandeliers? We're absolutely, we're gonna put a can light, done.
How about you? You can design and do whatever you wanna do in that bathroom. This bathroom's mine.
Oh, you wanna challenge my design?
Yes, a design challenge. You could have that bathroom, and I get this bathroom.
Okay, first of all, do you think you
Never.
could beat me?
Yeah, yes.
You think she could beat me?
He's laughing because he knows
You're not
I
put.
can beat you.
The one thing you gotta guarantee is I'm not in the middle of this whole contest.
Frank, who do you have?
Frank can't decide because
I'm
You
responsible for all of it, so no.
No, what we'll do is when people come through the open house, they can look around and people can vote. And we have to stick to the budget.
deal.
Deal.
Is this the front?
I think.
Is this it?
Or is this a side yard?
Hi. I'm Tarek. Nice to meet you.
Hi, nice to meet you, Tarek.
Nice to meet you. Who's this little guy?
This is Luke. Say hi, Luke.
So I'll tell you a little bit about the house. It's a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath. It's about 1,900 square feet. And we just came on the market for $629,900. I'd love for you guys to take a look around and let me know what you think.
I like the color. It's really
it's
pretty.
very pretty. I like the gray tones in it. And it goes so nice with this countertop.
You just notice the subway tiles there? Yeah. This
Very
is
cool.
really cool.
If you're cooking something up, you can just put it right here.
It's the quartz kind of looking fireplace, just like the kitchen. They pulled it all together.
Wow.
What's great about the backsplash is they filled the entire bathroom with it from floor to ceiling.
Even though it's a small bathroom, it looks bigger because of the tiles all the way up.
The lighting, it matches the chandelier.
I like the little tile accent, the kind of Moroccan tile.
And another chandelier.
You're gonna fall in love with this master closet.
So what do you guys think?
It's amazing.
What do you feel about the price?
Price is pretty good.
We spend a little bit more money than we usually do on the upstairs bathrooms. I want to get your opinion on the master bathroom versus the other bathroom. Which one do you guys prefer?
The big master bedroom.
I'd have to say the white design.
I'm in love with the chandeliers, so.
Uh-huh.
I think I liked the master. I liked how, because it was kind of feminine and pretty.
You don't think the other one was pretty?
No.
It's a little more masculine.
What I was thinking for this house as far as paint goes is painting the body of the house a dark gray, painting the brick white, the trim white, and get ready to get excited. I saw a house.
Uh-huh.
It had the coolest front door ever, but the color was like highlighter yellow, neon yellow.
Oh, I don't know about that.
I feel like in this neighborhood, it totally makes sense. People like originality, they like things different.
I mean, that's...
It will stand out.
I'm here at Long Beach. We nailed the design.
How's the staging look?
I'll show you. So this is the living room.
Looks so pretty.
Something you're gonna love that I was kind of against, but look at the built-in.
See, I told you, it looks so much better with that dark gray. Gorgeous.
I'm gonna give it to you. You were right on this one.
It looks a lot better with all that like brush gone. It feels a lot bigger. House looks great. Good luck today. Call me after.
How you ladies doing? Good. I'm Tarek.
Mary Kate, nice to meet you.
Hi.
Jen, nice to meet you.
Well, thanks for coming by.
Yeah.
I'll tell you a little bit about the house. It's a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom. It's about 1,200 square feet, completely remodeled, and we just put it on the market today at $549,900. I would love for you to take a look around and let me know what you think about the house.
I love the built-ins a lot.
And the floors are gorgeous.
Oh my gosh, this is really nice.
Well, I love this butcher block. This is great.
And I like what they did with the cabinetry as well, too. It goes flush all the way to the ceiling.
nice.
It just looks very finished. Come on, this would be your room. Nice. I like that it's close to the master bedroom. I love the floors. Look at the floor. Wow. The double sinks, though, that's so key.
Yeah, the bathroom looks really
so big.
huge. Yeah.
This house just flows so well all throughout the whole thing.
Looks really pretty. Want to see the inside?
Look at the stairway.
Oh my gosh, this staircase looks unreal. Look at this.
It looks amazing. It looks perfect.
Wow.
I think this is probably my favorite house we've ever done. The fireplace, that accent wall looks insane.
No, good.
I'm so sad I'm not there right now, honestly. This house looks to die for.
Well, yeah, we have our $20,000 staircase.
Buyers are gonna be obsessed.
Well, I got the final numbers today. We spent $139,000 on this remodel. After closing costs, that's a break even of $644,000. Here's the kitchen. Wow, look at that.
Kitchen looks so pretty. I love the great cabinets.
You know, we were going back and forth on the bedroom. It actually works because there's a table, a couch, and there's actually plenty of room in here still. After spending close to $140,000 to remodel this house, there is no comp as nice. So we've decided to be really aggressive and list this house for $728,000. Fingers crossed we haven't overspent for the area. I'm Tarek.
Tarek, nice to meet you.
How you doing, Kevin?
Kevin, nice to meet you. So I'll tell you a little bit about the house. We just finished remodeling it, and it's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, and we're on the market for $728,000.
Okay.
Love to get your opinion on the price as well as the remodel, and feel free to look around.
Okay,
great.
Thank you.
Well, nice wood floors too. I mean,
Yeah.
they're not laminate, right?
No, that's real wood.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at this. Look at the stairwell.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. No carpet. Wow. The staircase is amazing.
I definitely like the fireplace.
Got the nice marble there.
The color combination.
Yeah, it is. It's beautiful.
I like how the gray pops out in cabinets.
Oh, the kitchen's beautiful.
I love the high ceilings too. Wow.
Right? Bonus feature.
You walk right into your master.
Yeah, this whole house has the open flow to it.
Look how huge this master.
I want one of these.
I must say, this house is adorable.
It actually is a pretty cute house, I'll give you that.
Yes.
It's so nice how open it is. What do you think, Pete?
What's going on with the pool?
Uh-oh, there goes our beautiful yard. Jeez.
Yeah, that's a problem.
Okay, A, we already had a lined pool, which is a negative, and now we have a green lined pool.
I say we leave it till a pool guy comes.
You can't even see to the bottom.
Ah, is it doing anything?
I'd say just shut it off. We need to get a pool company out. They can shock the pool, put new water in it, then run everything.
And in the meantime, you're just gonna tell buyers that it'll be fixed in a few days?
Perfect. It's the day of the open house, and we have a green pool. We're gonna get our pool guys to come out here and fix this. But in the meantime, we have buyers coming through the house today. This should be interesting.
All right, guys, I'm pregnant, I'm exhausted. I can't hang for this, so here's the flyers. House looks amazing. We did a great job here.
I'm gonna prove something that me and him are gonna outsell you. We're gonna get full price offer today.
That's fabulous, but the design is what sold it, which was all me, so.
Oh.
Have fun.
First of all, it was a team effort.
Yeah.
Team effort, team effort.
Good luck, boys.
You wanna put this one across the street?
Oh, yeah.
Boy, don't you like the gray color?
Very nice.
Hi, I'm Tarek.
Hi.
Thanks for coming by. I'll tell you a little bit about the house.
3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,450 square feet.
And we're listed at $489,900. Let us know what you think about the remodel and the price.
Wow, we've got a lot of counter space with this and with the little place over there.
Nice backsplash. And the laundry, that's convenient. Can't you imagine having dinner here? Visiting with our friends here. Daddy cooking in the kitchen.
Ooh, look at the pool. Look at the dirty pool.
Goodness, it's green.
I don't care.
You don't care, but would you want to jump in it like that?
Yeah.
Oh, I'd kind of be worried about that.